天胸骨から松真珠。
Alright, it just got me a pair of Lasfit turn signal bulbs to replace the ones I have. Lasfit, the safe and stylish auto LED lighting. I've heard a lot of good things about these. They're supposed to be a lot brighter. They're supposed to get rid of hyper flash. It's an issue I've been having a while with my turn signals now. I don't even have my stock ones in right now, but I have another brand. I don't really like it too much because of the hyper flash, but the hyper flash it's kind of grown on me because I've had it in so long, but I guess this will fix that. Let's see, you got the QR codes. But yeah, I'm finna install these, put these in, and see how they work out for me. Oh shit, fell down. Alright, stay right there. This is my stock bulb for my turn signals, so you can see how it looks, shape. Stay right there. This is a package of the Lasfit bulbs. So as you can see, the size difference, just as a comparison. You can see all the little LEDs up in them. Now before I put these in, I think I want to do a comparison with my turn signal light covers on. These things right here. I want to do a comparison with my stock bulb, the Lasfit bulbs, with those on and those off, to get a good visualization of it. So, guess I'll go ahead and pop the hood and go ahead and pull out the bulbs I do have in and out to give a comparison versus stock. Alright, to get to the actual bulb, and so I can show you where it is because it's hard for me to reach it, get a little flashlight and I'll point to it. So, if you can see down there, there's a little dial that you turn to the left and you pull straight out with it. Let me see if I can get my laser pointer to point directly on it. Let's see. The dial is right there. Just turn to the left, pull straight out. Alright, so I just pulled the bulb out. This is the bulb I'm using now, currently. It's by Alla Lighting. It's a pretty good company, but this is a white LED light. I don't think they stop hyperflash because either my back tail lights are causing it or this one. I think it's this one though. But here's the difference between this and Lasfit. And hold up so I don't drop anything. Lasfit, stock, Alla Lighting, but we didn't come here for Alla Lighting. To remove this from the plug, this is the dial by the way, you look for this, and to get it out, because I know you probably couldn't see that earlier, but you just turn it this way, pull straight out, just that easy. But to get the actual bulb off of the plug, you just pull it straight out, and to insert it, it's kind of self-explanatory. You just slide it back in the slot. So I'm going to put the Lasfit bulb in now, and you just slide it into place and it clicks, and then you just go back to where you pull this out at and push it in, turn to the right, and there you go, it's installed. And this is going to be in the same spot on the other side of the truck. This came from the left side, so this is going to be the same on the right side too. So you should be able to find this easy. Just look for this. So now what I'm finna do is I'm finna do a comparison from the stock bulbs to Lasfit. Alright, the stock bulb is finna go in. I should be able to show y'all easier because you can get to it easy on the passenger side. So let me slide my stock bulb in and let's walk around. So they aren't very far down here at all. I don't know if that's focusing or not. The light is in the way. Yeah, you just slide it in. You can see that down there. Right there. Twist to the right. Pop right on there. And that's in there. Right there. You don't have to disassemble anything, none of that. It's pretty easy to get to them. So I got both covers still on, both turn signal covers. Right side's Lasfit, left side stock. The right side is way brighter. And the left side versus the right side Lasfit, they actually kind of flash different. But this one pulses, that one kind of just flashes. But it's a night and day difference in how bright these are versus these. Alright, I took off my turn signal covers. There they are right there. AVS, blah blah blah. There's the Lasfit. There's stock. So let's get a good look at stock. And let's go back to Lasfit. Way brighter, fills out the entire glass. So if I back up, night and day again. The Lasfit looks like it flashes faster. But look at the difference. I'd definitely buy these over any other brand because these things are like the sun.
You look at something bright, I look like an emperor in your eyes, so I a little bit.
I want to compare it to the white ones I had in. See how bright they are compared to that.
You still have them?
Yeah, I got them up in the truck now. I'm finna. You want to go on YouTube?
Huh? You
want to go on YouTube?
No.
Why not?
Because I am in no good to be seen by the fucking public.
I'm recording right now. I ain't put your face on it or nothing like that though.
I mean, I'm probably gonna show up there anyway because they're replacing the truck.
These are the ones I took out. These right here. I'm finna pop this bad boy in real quick and compare it to the Lasfit lights.
And it leaks. It looks like Vice City.
All right, so now we got Lasfit versus Isla lighting. Isla on the left, Lasfit on the right. And even with this being a white LED light, the Lasfit lights are brighter. That's crazy. Huh. Who would have guessed? Well, Isla, I think you lose. It's hard to pick up on camera, but the Lasfit is definitely still brighter. Guess I'll take these out. Keep the Lasfit lights in. But yeah, that's all I pretty much have for this video. Nothing too long. Quick little mini tutorial, little review about what I think about the Lasfit turn signal bulbs, and I think they are definitely worth all the money. I haven't seen any that are brighter than them so far yet, but yeah, I think you should go to the website and pick them up. They have floor mats, they have other little bulbs and things you can buy. They got a lot of things on the website, so I definitely go and pick up that. It'll be in probably 2 days. You go to Amazon, because nobody likes stock stuff. Everybody likes custom things. Don't be boring. Get you some custom.